Lakda from Upside Down Labs. Welcome to the fourth episode of Codes Python series. For those who are new here, Codes Python is an open source bag of tools for biopotential signal recording and visualization using BIAMP hardware. In the last episode, I gave you an overview of our Flask-based application that lets you launch a web interface with a single click. This enables you to launch multiple applications while managing an LSL stream seamlessly in the background. Today we will dive deep into one of the applications, ECG with heart rate. So without further ado, let's get started. This application helps you visualize real-time ECG signals, detect R peaks, and calculate your heart rate dynamically. Let's take a look at each step. First, to record the ECG signal, we need to set up the hardware and make all the connections. We'll be using DIY Neuroscience Kit Basic for this demonstration. Click on the eye icon to see the step-by-step tutorial for using the kit. Now upload the code's Arduino firmware for MakerUno board. Make sure to uncomment this line before uploading the code. Now download the Codes Python GitHub repository, links for which are given in the description box below. You can also check out episode 3 of this series for detailed setup guide by clicking on the eye icon in the top right corner. Now let's launch the Flask web interface. Open the Codes Python folder in the Visual Studio Code. Create a virtual environment by running this command. If you have already created it, you can skip this step. Activate the created virtual environment by running this command. Install dependencies using both of these commands. Now start the Flask server with the command python app.py. Click on the generated link to open the web interface. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned off before starting the LSL stream. Now to start the ECG with the heart rate application, first enable the LSL stream by clicking the Start LSL stream button. Once it turns green, select the ECG with heart rate application. For some users, there might be an issue while starting the application. In that case, start a new terminal, install all the dependencies, and run the application without creating the virtual environment. A GUI pop-up will appear displaying a real-time ECG graph with R peak detection and dynamic heart rate updates. This application efficiently processes ECG data using a low-pass filter, detects R peaks using NeuroKit 2, and calculates the heart rate based on RR intervals with a moving average for stable readings. The ECG signal is visualized using PyQt graph, ensuring smooth real-time plotting. This tool allows real-time ECG monitoring without complex setup. Whether you are a student or researcher, this application makes it super easy to analyze heart activity on the go. That's it for today's episode. In the next video, we'll explore EMG with envelope and how it helps analyze muscle activity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, keep tinkering.